YouTube, it's Chelzor the Destroyer, and we are going to watch FUWAMOCO, 2 Dogs, 1 Brain, Infinite Comedy. Grab a snack, subscribe, bevies, let me know what you eat and drink down below. Let's get to watching.
FUWAMOCO, you're adorable.
All right. Bless. All right.
How dare you do that when I have my eyes closed? How dare you? Welcome to my PowerPoint. Someone in HoloLive, I want to trade places with number 3, Pekora Senpai, 2, FUWAMOCO. Why? Why do you want to be FUWAMOCO? They're so fluffy. Oh, they're sisters. No reason. Number 1.
Who's number 1?
Wait, is this just a plan to get with Muko-chan? You got me! Erase FUWAMOCO! No, don't reveal my plan!
FUWAMOCO, I dare you to pinch Mokoko.
Pinch Muko-chan!
What? I dare you to sucker punch your sister. Jesus. Who would be my choices? I'm too lazy for that. I don't know. They have to do a lot. They put in a lot of effort at work. Man. They have to do a lot of stuff. What do you mean?
Oh, that sounded like it hurt.
I feel a little bad.
Do you?
Don't feel bad. Hard to dare. It's filled with love. It's okay.
One's violent.
Yeah.
You know, it's gonna be a bit pink for a little while. You know, that's the love. I don't know. I don't like getting tickled so hard. Oh, you don't, Moko-chan? Please. Moko-chan.
Well, I like how all of these clips are set up in a way that, like, this one gets bullied. Like, Moko gets bullied.
No. Stop! I feel picked on today. I just wanted to hear Moko-chan scream. I can hear that all the time. Sorry, Mokoko, you're adorable. That face.
Oh, this is cute, though.
How dare you do that when I have my eyes closed? No! Right? No! What's that? No! Huh? Why did you poke me out? What are you doing? Say it again. What? No. No!
Yeah, one of them's a bully. What the fuck?
She poked me in the neck.
No,
We don't have
not in the neck. That's illegal. Poking people in the neck is illegal.
any pajamas. So, I don't think any sleepover parties happening, right?
I'll give you my pajamas, because even though I don't wear them to sleep, I have a lot.
It's okay. It's gonna smell like Novisa.
Never mind. I don't use stinky pajamas. Also, what do you mean you're not wearing them? What are you wearing then? You cannot sleep in the nude at a pajama party. You have to wear something. Like, you cannot. And multiple people are sleeping over. You have to wear something. No.
Oh, it's not a Novisa thing. It's a, a bird thing. No, Novisa just a. Sometimes you smell like bird.
No, it's okay. I get it. Sometimes you I'm allergic to feathers probably. So I don't want to be huffing feather dust or whatever the hell.
Well, sometimes you smell like dog.
What do you mean, Hold LT to aim. Oh, silent
was adorable.
Oh, silent. I'm just
Bless.
follow along here.
Right in front of the cop or security guard girl.
I've been compromised. I think you.
Really?
Okay.
Okay.
シートベルトとなかった？
大丈夫かなこれ。
大丈夫じゃないですか？
大丈夫これ。
そう、大丈夫。急いでるから痛いね。痛いよね。すごい。ゴーゴーゴー。
Hey, well, now you really need to go to the hospital. Good news, there's an ambulance right here. Oh my god.
We're good. We're good. シートベルトした？シートベルトこれね店長？あ、してないから。Do it again. シートベルト。
He left her on the ground. She can't move. She has minimum a really bad concussion and probably spinal damage after hitting that tree. Oh my god.
これで先輩。あ、ここ。
Good lord.
どんなにびっくりされても。
Mood. Ne-
カムがパパイ。私のルイ先輩。おい先輩。Pirate seats are not for everyone. は？バースがディットコインオーグピープルコイン。マリアとルイージ双子じゃない。We are individuals. Yes.
We are individuals. Yes. Are you sure? Are you sure?
Hi. Oh, hi. Yes! 5 player kills 3! Wait, Mokocha, both at the same time. Yeah, we need to heal once. Super Taco! 300 divided by 10 is 3. Well, Fizz,
Okay.
should we have this kind of power? That's a good question. I don't know. Oh! The Super 2. Yeah. They broke at the same time. Ouch. What? We both step in the fire and say ouch at the same time. Maybe.
I guess I'm sitting
Good
too.
lord.
Oh, you want to sit down?
You want to sit down?
Yeah, you
I'm a human dog. I don't listen to orders like sit.
Fuwawa, would you sit for me?
Okay.
So we can sit by
Oh, wait.
each other?
Okay.
Do you see what's on the screen here? Something very nasty happened. Very, very nasty. Why am I the only one in F tier, huh?
Not only am I in F tier, I'm alone in F tier. Oh no. Oh no. That would hurt my feelings too. I'd be like, what do you mean? What do you mean? It's fine that I'm in F, but I can't be the only one there. Give me a friend. Oh no. Oh.
I guess it's okay, but you know what? It's never happy to be in a tier ranking and be an F tier, especially on your own. Why is Flora not with me? It's okay. I wish I was an F tier there with you, Mokoja, right by your side. Wow. Oh, Fizz, this is disgusting.
It's because she got bigger booba than you, maybe. Yeah, Abby's got it. I was like, you could put me in F tier with you. We'd be trash goblins together. Yeah, we're just like, oh man, we're F tier. That's fine. teehee, 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 like talking about all the other placements while eating our popcorn. Like, listen, I ain't gonna be a fucking tryhard. So, like, I'll just be here like, oh man, oh no. Anyway, here's the F tier popcorn. Let's go. Let's discuss all the other rankings.
Nasty! Filthy! Whoever should be an ace! We're not gonna run into Funny Senpai. We're not gonna run. Oh, Bibu! Yeah! It was FUWAMOCO!
Later.
To put in a second code.
This is so
Go
great.
up to the other communication thingy, but then it was already fixed. So then I went back and I saw, I think I saw Crony.
Not you, Kiara.
I love you guys. I don't know.
And Bebo will remember this.
I was with
I
Fauna
saw-
alone for a while, and she didn't kill me.
Yeah.
Why did it do that? Oh my god. Forget it, bitch. Bow bow. Because I think they said boob. It's so funny.
What did I say wrong?
Oh wait.
I didn't. I was going to greenhouse,
What did I say wrong?
and I was very confused.
Mm.
So you went
Aren't
back
we all?
I
God.
was very
What did I say wrong? Oh my gosh, Moko-chan, I didn't know you're that
Yeah.
kind of dog. What did I say? I don't know. I, for a very, very brief period of time, wait, a long time ago, I was in a special invite-only chess club.
So you're a genius.
Let me speak. But it was a very, very brief amount of time, and I don't even remember the names of the chess pieces. So
And then they kicked me out. They invited me. I played one game, and then they kicked me out.
So it was like a kindergarten club. It was like Chihuahua.
But Floor, chess, no.
No.
Mokoko got the chess genes.
Yeah, one of them got the chest genes, the other one got the chest genes.
Yeah.
And neither of them
makes
wear
sense.
jeans. はしごから落ちた。おー、FU お願いしますね。
Well,
シートベルトは忘れずにね。
look how slightly beat up this ambulance is. You're not making it.
安全運転だよ。安全運転。
Yep. They hit the dog. They're too busy screaming about the dog they hit.
起き上がった。カナダも人が死んでるんだよ。どうでもいい。カナダはどうでもいい。
No.
バカ心配してたよ。助けてカナダを信じろよ。
Priorities.
Here we go.
Your word is codependency.
What?
Is that a hint?
Hi. I can spell, okay. C O D
Yeah.
E. Let me think, okay? If you're laughing, I can't think, okay? P E. I'm spelling it in my brain, okay? Huh?
Oh.
D A N C Y.
Yeah.
Sounds right.
Your word is refrigerator.
Refrigerator.
Oh.
Ah. Okay. Oh, okay. I think I got it. Okay, listen. Refrigerator. REFRIDGATOR. Refrigerator.
Refrigerator.
Final answer.
What?
Refrigerator.
Well, I mean, like they're very high intense
I can't say anything. I'm pretty sure all of my smart objects eventually give up because of all my spelling mistakes, and I just power through it. It's fine.
competitive people. So why don't we just do a 1v1 between them?
Okay.
And whoever
Do we?
wins gets to be Huwawa's new sister.
Moko-chan's already gonna lose.
Wait, then I for sure have to compete.
Oh,
Okay, well, there you go, then.
Do you wanna be my sister? No one wants to be your sister.
Oh, I feel bad for her. Damn. Momoko just being like fucking fucking bullied all the time. Shit.
I'm kidding, Moko-chan. Don't
Look,
please.
Momoko,
She's
I'm-
broken. Look, she's broken. She's broken. Look, she's broken. Oh, did I break Moko-chan's heart?
I think you might have.
Yes.
Did you want to ride in an ambulance?
Yeah.
Yeah?
have to
Okay.
pay?
No. Why would you
No.
have to pay? Here it is.
What? Oh, why would you have to pay?
This is it? Okay, wait.
Yeah. It's the fast one.
It's a fast one.
Yeah. So make sure you put on your seatbelt, okay? See, it's fast, right? Right.
Fast.
Yeah.
What a nice car you have.
Right? It's way faster than your police cars. Left. Yeah. Right here. No, not again! Papa! No,
Not again. So this is a normal occurrence, is what I feel.
You have to help.
What happened?
nothing!
左に曲がろうとしたら、そっか。仲間でも。
What the fuck? What the fuck was I'm sorry. The Hamburglar got me. What the fuck?
やばい。もうやばいの引いたってもう。吹雪さんにしてくれ。ふわぼこは嫌だ。
バーができたけど。かっこいいのできた。
嫌だ。
バウバウ。
早く直してバウバウいいから早く直
大
してくれ。
丈夫ですか？ここで病院？
大丈夫なわけねえだろ。ここで直してくれ。ここで直してくれ。
3, 2, 1. Okay, red. For sure this time. Safe. Huh? Okay, safe. Safe. Red.
I'm like, what is happening?
Still safe. Yeah. On. Take out the blue. Oh no. Red. Yeah. Okay. Not the red. Yes. Red. No.
Oh, yay!
Okay, we're good. I feel like something might have just happened deep down.
Something might have happened deep down. Maybe. Something just in the wind is telling me that. Who knows?
See? It's good. I'm red. Okay. No. Okay. Wow. I think Moko-chan is dying next to me, huh? No. That's not good. No. Wow.
That's funny. Okay. What the fuck? What the fuck was that at the end? What the hell?